Sumubok ang mga high school students mula sa 12 bansa sa 3 araw na International Robotics Competition sa Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. Narito ang report ni Brian Evangelista.
Nagtipon sa Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu ang maraming high school students mula sa 12 bansa na lumahok sa 3 araw na International Robotics Competition. Karamihan sa mga participant ay mula sa mga bansang may advanced technology gaya ng Japan at China. Ngunit hindi naman pauhuli ang mga kabataang Pinoy pagdating sa global ranking.
I'm pleased to announce that we're in the top 10. Would you believe, out of 83 countries, we competed in the World Robot Olympiad in Qatar, and both elementary and secondary students have reached the top 10 technically.
Iba't ibang imbensyon ay pinakita sa event, gaya ng robot na color sorter, robotic arm at robot na nagigitara.
Ang nasa likod ko ngayon ay ang Philippine Eagle robot. Nagpapatunay lang na ang Pilipinas kung paano ito naging kabilang sa top 10 among 83 countries pagdating sa robotics.
Tampok din dito ang exhibit na gawa ng mga batang may robotic subject na bahagi ng kanilang K-12 curriculum.
The K-12 program is already promoting the advanced technology integration in the curriculum, and due to the call of times, Philippines should not be left behind by the other countries around the world in terms of using different technologies, not only in school but primarily on its application into day-to-day living.
Incredible, it's so different, and people here are so polite and so excited to do things better and to do things right.
5 taon nang sumasali sa international events ang Lapu-Lapu City sa layuning maisulong ang kakayahan at talento ng mga kabataang Pilipino sa iba't ibang larangan.
We are encouraging our youth to participate internationally for the reason we would like also to be known in other countries. That is what we're doing for Lapu-Lapu. So we're fully supporting because we would want our children to improve and be a part of the whole world.
Mula sa Cebu, Brian Evangelista, UNTV News Worldwide.